What if I told you that the material beneath our feet holds secrets that have shaped civilizations and could determine our planet's future? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're uncovering 15 mind-blowing facts about concrete that will change the way you see this everyday material. Let's dive in. Fact 1. Concrete is the most consumed material after water. Did you know that concrete is the second most consumed substance on Earth, only after water? We use approximately 20 billion tons of it each year, building our cities and infrastructure. Fact 2. Concrete and cement are not the same. Many people think concrete and cement are interchangeable terms, but that's a misconception. Cement is actually an ingredient of concrete, making up about 10 to 15% of its composition, along with aggregates like sand and gravel and water. Fact 3. Ancient Romans perfected durable concrete. The ancient Romans were pioneers in developing durable concrete. They mixed lime and volcanic ash to create structures like the Pantheon, which still stands today. Recent studies reveal that Roman concrete had self-healing properties, contributing to its longevity. Fact 4. Concrete's environmental impact. Here's a dark secret. Concrete production is responsible for approximately 8% of global CO emissions, making it a significant contributor to climate change. The process of making cement, a key component, is particularly carbon-intensive. Fact 5. Concrete is fire and water resistant. Concrete doesn't burn and can't be set on fire, making it an effective fire barrier. Its slow rate of thermal conductivity allows structures to survive fires when other materials might fail. Fact 6. The largest unreinforced concrete dome. The Pantheon in Rome boasts the world's largest unreinforced concrete dome, a testament to ancient engineering marvels. Built around 120 AD, it remains a significant architectural feat. Fact 7. Concrete's role in urban heat islands. Concrete contributes to the urban heat island effect, where city areas become significantly warmer than their rural surroundings. Its thermal properties can exacerbate heat waves in urban environments. Fact 8. Self-healing concrete innovations. Inspired by ancient techniques, modern scientists are developing self-healing concrete that can repair its own cracks, potentially reducing maintenance costs and extending the lifespan of structures. Fact 9. Concrete's role in World War II. During World War II, concrete sound mirrors were used as an early warning system to detect incoming aircraft before the advent of radar technology. Fact 10. The concrete industry's legal controversies. The concrete industry has faced legal issues, including cases of price fixing and anti-competitive practices in various countries, highlighting the need for regulatory oversight. Fact 11. Concrete's durability challenges. Despite its strength, concrete can degrade over time due to factors like calcium leaching, which can compromise structural integrity if not addressed. Fact 12. Innovations in low-carbon concrete. To combat environmental impacts, innovators are developing low-carbon concrete alternatives, aiming to reduce the carbon footprint of this essential material. Fact 13. Concrete's contribution to infrastructure. Concrete forms the backbone of modern infrastructure, from roads and bridges to buildings and dams, playing a crucial role in urban development. Fact 14. The future of concrete. Researchers are exploring new materials and techniques to make concrete more sustainable and resilient, ensuring it meets the needs of future generations. Fact 15. Concrete's hidden aesthetic potential. Beyond its structural uses, concrete has aesthetic applications in art and design, offering versatility in creating sculptures, furniture, and decorative elements. From ancient innovations to modern challenges and breakthroughs, concrete is more than just a building material, it's a cornerstone of human civilization with a complex story. Thanks for joining us on this journey through concrete's fascinating world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the foundations of our world.